best AI music generators that will blow your mind. In today's era, technology has surpassed every other field, and a major example of modern technology is artificial intelligence. AI has secured a significant position and is dominating the world. Particularly, chatbots and image generators have captivated everyone's attention. However, one field where AI can be highly beneficial is music generation. These AI apps cater to both beginners and professionals, meeting users' expectations. Here are a few AI music generators that you shouldn't miss. Suno. Suno is a fantastic AI tool that helps generate music for your reels, videos, and more in the blink of an eye. To use Suno, simply sign in using your Discord, Gmail, or Microsoft account. Users can choose the type of track they want, such as instrumental or other options. The free version allows users to generate up to 50 songs per month, and if you exceed this limit, you can buy a subscription plan for $8 per month. Song R. If you're looking for an AI music generator that doesn't require a sign-up, you should try Song R. It allows users to generate music within seconds without the need to sign up. This amazing tool requires just a few keywords and will generate lyrics for you. You can also use your own lyrics if you prefer. Music FX. Music FX is another free AI music generation tool that can be easily accessed from the web. However, the generated sounds usually lack vocals, and the length is limited to just 70 seconds, which might be insufficient for some videos. Additionally, it's only available in specific regions. These AI music generators provide a range of options to suit different needs and preferences, making music creation accessible and easy.